Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking it out right here in this video. However, before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. These are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video. Um, is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so before we do that fully, in case you are not on the Telegram channel, okay, I will advise you to join because there are so many trading activities going on right there right now. Okay, I posted some signals there. Most of it have come true. Okay, so if those that are there have actually benefited from that, you too can also benefit from that. It is 100% free. Okay, so now let's go straight into what we have right here. So we are starting with Gainex 1200. This had been on uptrend for a while, but right now it's going fully on downtrend. And I actually posted this particular signal in the Telegram channel, and the first TP have been achieved, heading towards the next TP. Okay, so this is going to sell more. Okay, so we are expecting more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity right from there. Okay, next asset is going to be Gainex 999. Okay, these are some of the things that you're going to benefit from in the Telegram channel. They've been trading these already, okay, just because they got the signal earlier. Okay, so that is it. This had also been on uptrend for a while, but after getting to the resistance zone, it has not been able to break out above it. So right now, it's going back on downtrend. So we expect more of a selling opportunity. We've been given a downtrend signal right from here. So we are expecting more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay. Next asset is going to be Penex 1200. Let's check it out together. Okay. So this is Penex 1200. I also posted this particular signal in the Telegram channel, and it has completed all the TPs which I highlighted in the signal. Okay, so this is so amazing. So this is buying, and it is still buying. Probably it might be getting to this region, guys. It might be getting to this region easily. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so let's take note of that. Let's check out Paynex 999 together. Okay, so this is Paynex 999. This has been on downtrend for a very long time, and it is still selling. Okay, so this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So that is very, very important. Okay, it has been breaking out from most support zones. Okay, so now the next asset is going to be FX volume 80, which is going to be the last asset for today. This is FX volume 80. This is on downtrend. You can see it gave us downtrend signal, and it has been selling since then, and it's still going to sell more. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. We are still expecting it to get to this region, guys. And if it breaks out from here, then it's still going to sell more. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. I'm going to repeat that again. Practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. Okay, so I will be stopping right there. If you have any question, drop your question in the comment section, or you reach out to me personally on WhatsApp. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.